Need to send a document, photo, or PDF through Outlook? Attaching a file is quick and straightforward, and once you know where to look, you'll be doing it in seconds. Start by navigating to the Mail section of Outlook. Here, you'll see your inbox with all your received emails and the option to compose new ones. To create a new message, click the New Message button, usually located at the top of your inbox or in the navigation pane. A blank email window will appear with fields for the recipient's email address, the subject, and the message body. Before typing out your email, let's focus on the toolbar at the top. Click the Insert tab, which is designed for adding extra elements to your message. Within Insert, select Attach File. This will open up a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, browse your folders to find the document or picture you'd like to send. Once you've located the right file, click Open, and Outlook will begin attaching it directly to your email. You'll see the file listed right below the subject line once it's attached. From here, finish typing your message, add the recipient's address, and when everything looks good, click Send. And that's it. You've just attached a file in Outlook. Whether it's a report for work, a picture for a friend, or a PDF you need to share, this simple feature makes communication seamless. Try it out next time you compose an email, and you'll see how easy file sharing in Outlook can be. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.